Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make transparent text in CapCut PC. It's quite easy. Here you can see that this is video footage I have and I just wanna add transparent text over to this video footage. So in order to do that, firstly we just need to drag the video footage onto the timeline. Now just right above here we're gonna add the text. So for that just click on the text icon here. Then we're gonna drag the default text just right here on the timeline above the video footage and just stretch this text till the end of your video. Select the text and just type whatever you want to type here. I'll just type sunset. Okay, you can just increase the size of the font. Then you can make the text bold, italic, it's up to you. After you done this, just click on your video footage and just scroll till the end until you see the option canvas. So we're gonna choose the canvas as color and the color gonna be black. Once the canvas color is changed, we can just shift this video footage to the left so that we can see the black color here. Once you do that, just select video and text, hit right click and just create the compound clip here. Now once both of them are merged, just shift this text layer above, and now we're gonna again insert the video footage just underneath of text. Now select the text layer, go to video, and just right here you'll see the option blend. Now you can choose blend mode according to you. Like if you want effect like this, you can select the darken. If you want effect like this, you can select that. Many effects are here and you can just choose accordingly. I prefer this one, which is soft light, and like to reduce the opacity a bit, something like this. Okay, and yeah, you can see that the effect is looking good, and that's how you can make transparent text in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.